Today I have an exciting late summer haul to share with you guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy Sanchez for those who don't know me, and let's start with the first piece. And actually I have seen this bag. Here you can see on some reels or shorts, and I liked it. I liked it so much, so I thought maybe I can find it. I was looking for this bag on the internet, but I didn't find it. Anyways, one day I was traveling and I had a stopover in Madrid, and suddenly I saw this bag. This is from Mango, and it's so beautiful. I think the color is perfect. I don't have any bag in this color, so it's very elegant. You don't have that much details, but I wanted something, yeah, something simple but still fashionable, and in my opinion this is a perfect fit. Then we go, and the price for this one was 35 euros. We continue with the next piece, and this is this one from Zara. This crop top. It's very nice. You know, these colors are in now, and brown, this dark brown, I think it's very nice. I can combine it with white or also brown. I will show you later other options. It's quite simple, but I think it's very nice. I paid around 2 euros, so very cheap, and I like this. I love when I can buy on sale, because I don't know, I think it doesn't make sense to spend a lot of money on expensive things. Sometimes you need good quality, and for this you have to pay, of course, but not everything has to be that expensive, so this is very nice. Then we go further with the next one. This is a maxi dress. Here you can see it's beautiful. It's white from H&M, and the price for this was on sale also, and the price for this was around 12 euros. And then I show you some other pieces also from H&M, and this is another one, a white trouser. And you know, in my closet I was missing a piece like this, because it's the quality looks very good, and you can wear it for work, you can wear it for a dinner, and it depends on you how you want to wear it. It is very chic and elegant, and I will show you this on me, so that you have an imagination how it looks like. Yeah, and the price for this was like 30 euros. It was not on sale, but I thought I need to spend a little bit more for a nice trouser, especially in white, because I have some others, but not in this color. And then we continue with New Yorker. Girls, run to New Yorker. I mean, it's not my favorite shop, but sometimes you can find like very special things, and I think this is one of that, because I was looking for for something or a dress or a top with this detail, with a flower detail, and I found it there. I liked it. I really like it. Let me know under the comments, what do you think? What are your special pieces from this haul? Let me know in the comments, and if you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. I bought this also in white and like cream white. Here you can see it. Yeah, I don't know, I think which one is nicer. Maybe you can decide. I will show you other ones, but look at this detail, it's so nice. The price for this was like I think it was around 9 euros. Yes, and then we have this one, this jumpsuit. It's a white jumpsuit also. I think now I'm in love with white, especially when you are tanned. You have like this nice brown color. During summer you can wear white, and this is also very, very nice and beautiful. Here you can see how it is. It's just with a strap on this side, and this made the trousers special, I would say. It's perfect for a summer day, for vacations. So this was a little bit too long for me, so I had to take it to the tailor, and because I'm not that tall. But anyways, sometimes I have the feeling that New Yorker has very special stuff. I mean, not all the time, but sometimes there are some special pieces. The next one is a very special outfit. I know it's not for everyone. You have to like it. Either you like it or you hate it. But sometimes I like to wear special things, and yeah, this is the top. It looks very, very beautiful. I liked it pretty much. The color is so nice. This is the special piece. Here you can see, and we have two bows and different colors, but in the same tone, and I think it's so beautiful. It was on sale, and I think I paid like 3 euros for that. And then we have the skirt, also in the same color. And here, no, it's not a skirt actually, it's a short. In combination with the bows, I think it's pretty cute, and it can look very expensive because of this details. For this I paid like 7 euros, I think, so it was also on sale, and the original price was 30 euros, so imagine. It was a big deal for me. And this is this beautiful outfit. It's different. For someone it could be too much, but for me I like it. It suits me well with this nail colors. I love it. I really love it. Here you can see details. Maybe you can see the details. This is so nice here. I'm in love with it.